Hi, Terry here, your hair care specialist. Today we want to introduce you to a fantastic product for you Hairsystem users. Did you hear about the Smith & Nephew NoSting protective swabs yet? These transparent, breathable skin prep swabs are alcohol-free, non-irritating, film-forming liquid that creates a barrier between the skin and the hair system. They help to protect the skin from moisture, reduce friction, and prevent skin breakouts and infections while using or removing tapes and adhesives. These no-sting, fast-drying, sterile skin prep swabs allow skin to breathe, which helps tapes and adhesives to remain intact. Their unique formula ensures they are gentle on the skin and do not cause any stinging sensation, making them perfect for the sensitive or damaged skin. These swabs come pre-soaked in a gentle solution, making them ready to use without additional products. The lollipop-shaped swab design allows easy and precise application targeting specific areas without wasting any product. At Superhairpieces, we sell the entire box as well as single units. They are also long-lasting, waterproof swabs for added protection and comfort. Using this effective product is super easy. The scalp should be clean, shaved, and dry before application. Apply a single uniform coating of no-sting skin prep over the entire bald area. If a section of the area is missed or a second application is required, reapply only when the first application has thoroughly dried, about 30 seconds. Then apply the tape or the liquid adhesive to your hair system and attach it to your scalp. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has been helpful to you. Like and subscribe for more informative videos, and we'll see you next time. Bye.